Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be flipping through some new Miss Maker items, which is super exciting. These released today on the Happy Planners website, so definitely check it out. I have it linked down in the description. I'm just going to flip through everything. I have a planner and then I have 3 sticker books to flip through. Okay, so I'm going to go over the planner first, which is a checklist layout. Okay, so I absolutely love the cover. Look how cute that cover is. With like pegboard with all the crafty stuff on it. Love that. Okay, so inside we have some discs. Here's the home page, or the name page. Here at a glance. It's pretty neutral, even though it's going to be pretty colorful on the covers. So here's January, create what you love. Again, neutral. And here's the checklist layout. If you're not familiar with it, I've been using this as my classic planner starting in July, so I really love this layout. Okay, and then there is the currently dashboard page. Now I'm just going to go over the dividers since everything's going to be the same inside, but the dividers change. So here's February. Crafting is always a good idea. Cute. Got some buttons for March. April, crafting helps me unwind. May, create something beautiful every day. June, born to create. I love that with like the stitching. July, happiness is a warm glue gun. This is cute. Ready to plan. Have your little like checklist. September, feeling crafty. Do more of what you love. It's like the cover. Love that. In December, the craft room is calling and I must go. Okay, and then here is the note page and then the inside back cover. Oh, and then the back is just stripes. Cute. Okay, so that is the planner that I received. Now I'm going to go over the sticker books. So there are actually 2 classic sticker books. I'm trying to see how to... They're both called Miss Maker. One has 718 and one has 668. And then we have a big sticker book. So there's 3 different books. Let's see what the difference is between these. So on this one, okay, so we have some decorative boxes. Feeling punchy. It's cute. Ooh, I love these. Those are great. These are clear. Planner meetup. These are cute little discs. Got some cross stitching quotes. More decorative and clear. Boxes. Little planners. It's cute. More boxes. Okay, we got the rounded boxes with a checklist. Checklists. I think kind of like washi strips on that one. Oh, 2 different types of checklists. All right, some quotes. Craft a happy life. I like that little ribbon spool. It's cute. Feeling crafty. More quotes. Oh, these are cute. They're clear and they're kind of like the cross stitching and hearts. You can use them like washi or like little banners. I'm loving these quotes and decorative stickers. Create what you love. Okay, some long boxes. Monthly boxes. Okay, so this one seemed pretty functional. Had a little bit of everything, some decorative too. All right, so let's see how this one is compared to that one. This is the other classic one. Ooh, lots of buttons. Some knitting stuff. Okay, so this one looks more decorative. Paint brushes. Paint supplies. These are all clear. These are paper pencils. Got some discs. More discs. More of those quotes. Craft a happy life. Important crafty ideas today. Okay, so I like these little circle buttons. Don't forget, made with love. Make something lovely. Grateful for today. These are so cute. Creativity is contagious. Be a dreamer and a doer. So this one looks more decorative than the other book. Yeah, got some measuring tapes and scissors. Those are cute. Glue guns. Some headers. Oh, I love these. So they're like the pencils, but they have little quotes on them. So spread kindness, create sparkle, or creative spark, best of the best. I really like those. More of the cross stitch stuff. More pencils with quotes. Paint supplies. Okay, so we're getting into some functional stuff. Boxes. And headers, my next project. All the inspiration, take note. Currently crafting, supplies needed, sketches and ideas. And then more decorative stuff and boxes. Okay, so yeah, this one is more decorative than this one. So 718, that's the only way I can tell the difference is by the number. 718 has more decorative. 668 has more of a mixture. Okay, so I'm curious to see the big one now, to see what's in there. Because I think there's only one big. I didn't receive everything, so definitely double check on the site. But we have some boxes. More boxes. Okay, some decorative stickers. Oh, these are different. You can use those like washi stickers. Oh, these are cute. More washi stickers. Okay, bigger, obviously double boxes since it's a big. Okay, I got those cross-stitching quotes. Okay, that's the same from the other book. Feeling crafty, feeling punchy. Crafting is always good. Born to create. Okay, so this one looks more like the first book. But it's got some little different tweaks on the stickers than the other book. boxes, headers, quotes. That's a cute sticker lover. Okay, got some banners, crafting with friends, art supply shopping, feeling so crafty, ready to plan. And then we got the boxes and banners, and then the quotes. Okay, so that is it for the big. Okay, so that is all of the things that I received. I have the 3 sticker books and then this planner. Definitely check out the site because there's going to be other items. I didn't receive everything. Check out the whole collection. Again, it'll be linked down in the description and it's available to purchase now. So definitely get on this. I can't wait to use this for a plan with me. I'm excited. I'm excited about another Miss Maker. I love the Miss Maker collections. So I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.